In this chapter, we solve systems of equations, we solve applications that involve systems of equations, and we look at linear inequalities and systems of linear inequalities. Determine whether 3, -2 is a solution of the following system of equations: 2x plus y equals 4 and 5x minus 6y equals 27. In order for 3, -2 to be a solution of this system, it must make both equations true. So we substitute 3, -2 into the first equation, and if that is true, we also substitute it into the second equation to see if it makes that true as well. So let's start with 2x plus y equals 4, and we substitute 3 for x and -2 for y, and we're asking ourselves, does that equal 4? Well, we have 6 plus -2, and that's 4. And since 4 equals 4, that's a true sentence. And we also need to substitute 5x minus 6y equals 27. Substitute the order pair into that equation. So we have 5x minus 6y equals 27. We have 5 times 3 minus 6 times -2. We ask ourselves, does that equal 27? This gives us 15 minus a -12, which is 15 plus 12, which is 27. And that is also true. Now, since the ordered pair makes this equation and this equation true, the answer to our question is simply yes. That ordered pair is a solution of the system of equations.